Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to turn off the automatic download of a series or movie on Netflix. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your Netflix app. After that, go to the download section, which you'll find at the bottom right corner with a downward arrow icon. Tap on it. At the very top, you'll see a Smart Downloads option on the left-hand side with a small gear icon. Tap on that. Here, you'll notice an option at the top that says, as you watch an episode of a series you have downloaded, we'll get the next episode for you and delete what you finished watching. This only happens on Wi-Fi. Basically, this feature automatically deletes the episode you've already watched and downloads the next one for you. If you want to turn it off, simply toggle that option off, and that's it. So, that's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.